Hi everyone, my name is Thomas again. Today is October 15th, 2022. This is my 109th episode for C++ 17 2023 CUDA SYCL OpenGL OpenCL TBB. In this episode, we will learn Hello CUDA the harder way. We will set environment variables for CUDA programming. My goal is to create computer simulation using MFC OpenGL CUDA, Intel, TBB, and SYCL. If you want to follow my current session, you probably have to watch episode 006, Setup, Install CUDA Toolkit, and Intel oneAPI based toolkit. If you haven't watched this video, you may have difficulties following my current session because I assume you have installed CUDA Toolkit on your machine. Without further ado, let's get started. Open up Visual Studio 2022. Go to File, New, Project. You can search for CUDA template. Click Next. Solution name 109 CUDA Hello. Project name CUDA Runtime. Click Create. Let's see Configuration Manager. Edit. It does not have platform for Windows. Click Close. Press Ctrl F5. OK. It should build and run like this. Now close it. It's too simple, but this simplicity makes your life harder in some case. Right click, add new project. Select console. Select desktop wizard. Click next. CUDA the harder way. Click create. Select console application. Empty project. Click OK. Right click, set as startup project. Right click, add new item. Select CUDA C++ file. Here, hello.cu. Click add. From this file, Ctrl A, select all, copy, paste it here. Ctrl Home. We will change it to like this. Now press Ctrl F5. Obviously, it does not work. Now click OK. Save all. Now close it. Right click, search, Environment, open, edit system environment variables. Environment variables. In the system variables, you should find this and this environment variables. Otherwise, you haven't installed CUDA Toolkit. In the File Explorer, C drive, Program Files, NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit, CUDA v11.7, you can find include folder. Copy this folder path. Here we will create a new environment variable. New paste CUDA ink. Click OK. Click New CUDA lib. Here lib folder x86. Copy. Paste it here. Click OK. Make sure in your path in this variable edit you should find NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit CUDA v11.7 bin folder should be specified. These two paths should be specified in your path folder. Click OK. Click OK. Now start Visual Studio once again. Go to File. You can open Recent Project and Solution folder 109 CUDA Hello. Here Configuration Manager. Edit. We will delete x86. Remove. Yes. Close. Also select this one. CUDA the hard way. Edit. We don't need Win32. Remove. Yes. OK. Close. Save all. Now right click. Properties. PC directories. Include. Make sure all configuration selected. Include once again. Edit. Click this button. $CUDA ink. This path should be resolved. Click OK. Now library directories. Edit. Click this button. $CUDA lib. Hit enter. Click OK. Click apply. Click OK. Now the SYCL disappeared. We can close this file. Press Ctrl F5. It still does not work. It's normal behavior. Now close it. Right click. Properties. Make sure all configuration selected. Select item. We cannot find CUDA. Don't worry, we can select Custom Build Tool. Click Apply. Then click this button, General, Command Line. Edit. We use NVCC. We compile % file name .cu % file name .obj. Click OK. Click Apply. Here compile CUDA files. output file name .obj, or I can specify here or like this. Click OK, click Apply, click OK. Now press Ctrl F5. You should see unresolved externals. Right-click, Properties, Linker, make sure all configuration selected. Linker, Input, Edit. We need CUDA runtime.lib. This is not CUDA art. This is CUDA runtime. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Now press Ctrl F5. It should build and run successfully. We will learn how to create CUDA DLL files.